This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the Legion go off and removing the controller grips so you can access the back panel. Once done, remove all screws with a Torx T4 and gently pry the back cover with a plastic tool to avoid clips breaking. Make sure to wear an anti-static wrist strap and place the device on a non-conductive surface. This prevents damage to the SSD and motherboard. Now orient the unit so the I/O faces away from you and set aside screws in order. You'll now locate the M2 slot near the motherboard edge and remove the single retention screw securing the module. Once removed, lift the SSD out at a shallow angle and slide it free. Do not yank straight up because the connector is delicate. If a small heatsink or adhesive covers the bay, peel it slowly and keep all parts. Make sure the replacement SSD matches the physical length, 2,230 versus 2,242, and is NVMe compatible, so it fits and You insert the new NVMe module into the slot at the same shallow angle, seat it fully, and press it down to lock under the standoff, then reinstall the retention screw. Once secured, reapply any heatsink or adhesive, align the back cover, and replace screws in the exact order you removed them. Power on and enter BIOS to verify the drive is detected. If detected, you can install the OS or restore a cloned image. If it isn't seen, reseat the module and check the retention screw and connector pins for debris.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.